Kapanar Student Movement PSM Central Body haya khmat u Presiden Rangba kasenyu embha pasa wa u General Secretary Uwam Perwan dailang wakikatu kanigid khot ha kalitrik dalai bodin biangki ye penbana namo ka notification notice wada penmi da ka 100 bedded MCH Hospital Juai nei benta ki khandit ligi kre grade 4 wa sotli ki kre PMAM/DO Heywani liang gaseng dedep laya chem go nei benta wo pan penche na ka DMHO wana ka medical superintendent ka MCH Juai ha ka khande tring unai nyaw arajar apausan he to wa Islam yong ki wo khut penman ya written exam wa interview gini ki kre walai Hadin wada yang da bontali ki banai klem yo ye penche nei liang gaseng da laya chem we da bo ka dei tho ha UDC ke West Giant Hills district tang wane da wam emmo da ye chem wa ka additional DC ke bi bla yo khana ye ni wam yo ye penche na ka DMHO wa ka medical superintendent ka MCH Hospital Juai ye da wam khut ye le ye gini ki kre walai nei bha ka tu dadap chisnem na do wa pen bana we da embun ki wa thap wo ye le kre ki wa da pen suba boy MEE re yi ithmu wo muri Neliang additional DC da kular ko wo chimkhia o yakalam wo DC haya to we ni ikam we da ongalem emtip ko hajrong isa ten ini ikam we hadin we yo ko ye penche da pentip on ko chakaseng
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Initially, national movement, PSM Central Body, in negasi the one libo representation BC. Haji to representation to the haji to the recruitment notice will permit the Sorka Meghalaya, lembaga MCH 100 bedded Juai. Haji to the post to the like Amakale the haji to the Kale the post Kande to grade 4 Paso to naga PMAM through DEO Kahajing to gani wa hado wakat ni dangkiu no bai wat u getrik ne banta wo keritin wo interview le da de bo gi kamu kakane to no ba ne mata gani ka keritin interview yang grade 4 ba ne mata ga DO an ka arhu trik no ba ajar poso kahajing to gani dang man sa dum ba kiu na nei di da ga tam sing ban se go lai lu ki chakmat volleyball igani bitin tho ta hajing to wa ne liang se jam am song likti go da wan la libo origin tho ha ga office of DMHO ha ka khandai trik manawnya arja arbosan nei banta ki post will the like naga liang yong ka MCH am man kam gi bat kham tam na ki liang gi candidate to apply ni kam man ju sa dum nei tem ban se ka sein hon nei ga sing wan panjing tip an go na ka office of DC ikadam ti hajing to gani kwa uchi go khrang yosuk kamrin sabni bagudang apply kam chmat le meling nga bi ti police
to gani inaliang yoga pnas movement chem iwa jing to gani post do kan ni le so dap solisi don hidap islam namu pun mi gi ne namu khut ki ne kamta ka written bat ka interview ka kam wada bu notice ki report wada dep ini diangga pnas student movement in songkriti jing to bani dawla jikman daw tho tre knangwa borok candidate ku apply yang ni ku post yo chegi yo tip ki wa gi ka step wa ngaliang ka hostel move ko jing to wa ni ku post yo ti ni walang ba jingwan yong i jing chami i wa additional DC dulu tiu liang yo ka chimkhia go jing to bani nang wa liang yong i le yo yi jing che cheki borok candidate ku apply yang ni ku post